Good day, my name is Andries Ferreira Becker, but people call me Ferreira. I'm 18 years old, turning 19 this year. I was born in Potchefstroom, but I grew up in the small holdings outside Vanderbijl Park in the county, and still live there. I wouldn't trade farm life for anything in the world. I'm able to operate various power tools like a drill, grinder, arc welder, a number of impact tools and handheld equipment. I can also do minor repairs to diesel and petrol engines and also servicing. Other skills that I include are general electrician work and plumbing. I am hardworking, trustworthy, reliable, and will do any task that is given to me with a smile on my face. I have a practical, problem-solving mindset with good work ethic. When I turned 16, I started working with my dad at his company. He runs a company that is a facility management for a company called Bidvest. We clean, paint, repair, and service standby generators. When I was 18, I took the work on solo with the workers. Also, when I was 16 and 17, I was a waiter at Saloon 2000 and increased my social skills. From the age of 8 till current, I played rugby, which taught me a great amount of discipline and commitment. I was overseas for my rugby, Italy 2024 and Spain 2025. My experience in farming is limited, but my drive to learn, commitment and loyalty makes me a person that you can train to the best of my ability, and my ability to take challenges head on and shape me how you want things to be done on the farm. You can overcome any challenge and object through God all-powerful and mighty. Thank you so much.